Hello and welcome. Before I jump into the watercolor painting, I just want to start out by telling you a little bit about the paper that I used in this video. So on the left, it's the 105-pound paper is what you'll see in this video. And I just recently bought the stuff on the right, the Canson, and it's 140 pounds, and it is way better. So if you're just starting out and you're not sure about whether or not you should invest in higher quality paper, you should absolutely do it, and this video will show you that. You'll see that the paper actually starts buckling pretty early on. Anyway, I'm not going to walk through the whole video with you. I will just leave you to watch, and I really hope you enjoy my learning process as you come along with me. And if you do like this video, please like the video or send me a comment or subscribe, share. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch, and hopefully as I get better, you're out there practicing and getting better along with me. So I hope you enjoy. Until next time, everyone.
Thank you.